Welcome to Channel 1. Mahindra and Mahindra Ltd organized a launching ceremony of new dealership in Howrah on 11th of March.
It is my privilege and honor to be part of today's inauguration of the landmark facilities in Howrah. I would request all of you to please, after this, take a look at the kind of facility which has got created. Now, let me kind of also congratulate Mr. Thakker and his entire team for kind of ensuring that the infrastructure are in right place, the infrastructure are manned by the right people to deliver the customer experience that we are looking at. Now in M&M, customer is the center at which we keep the customer and decide everything. Right from our design to our product planning to our engineering, supply chain, marketing, the entire channel function, everybody works to ensure that we are able to deliver a superlative customer experience to the place where he needs to, he needs to be advised by the service advisor, taken for a trial. I think everything has been thought quite well, and that is what I call being customer centric. We are very clear that our aim is to be the most customer centric organization, and everything that we are working, designing, putting in place is keeping customer in mind. So I would request and urge all of you to please take a round of the facility, also visit the two showrooms which are getting inaugurated today, and also using your platform, I take the liberty and opportunity to welcome customer to please come visit this facility and get a great experience. एक जैसा एक्सपीरियंस, चाहे वो श्रीनगर में गाड़ी ले, चाहे कलकत्ता में गाड़ी ले, चाहे आपका उड़ीसा में गाड़ी ले, चाहे आपका साउथ में गाड़ी ले, कहीं पे भी गाड़ी ले, एक निरंतर एक समान एक्सपीरियंस महिंद्रा ब्रांड का हर जगह।
ফার্স্ট অফ অল আমি ধন্যবাদ জানাই আপনার আর আপনার চ্যানেলকে যে দে হ্যাভ গিভেন আস অ্যান অপরচুনিটি থ্রু ইয়োর চ্যানেল টু কাইন্ড অফ give the message that we have opened a facility in Howrah. So we have a showroom that we have opened, we have a workshop, 30-bay workshop, plus a cube for display of vehicle in Foreshore Road. And I would request every one of you through your channel, through your media, to please come and give us an opportunity to provide you an experience. The facility that we have created is world class. Okay, everything right from the right test drive to getting a proper demo to booking to getting finance to getting insurance consultancy, deciding on what kind of accessories that you can get. Everything has been thought out very well and has been created. A lot of technological and digital usage have been done in the showroom to give the right experience to our customers. When I talk about the workshop, we are all there in the workshop, and you can see that the kind of facility that we have created. 30 bays, having body shop, the best of the equipment, the best of the manpower trained to ensure that your product gets the right service, along with a huge parking area for ensuring that when you come here everything is at ease and the best of the service is provided to your utmost satisfaction. Thank you for covering this, and thank you for allowing us through your channel to kind of invite customers to please come and experience this facility, both showroom and workshop. Thank you.